Mom. Hey.
It seems like this boy really wants a little brother for himself. Every child's simple happiness is successfully inviting their buddy to visit home.
Quem é você, cara? Por onde você anda? Tá tudo fechado, tá chovendo cachorro, galera.
Dogs just unlock the wild gate to invite their friends to their birthday. Mum, guess who I ran into in the woods today? We're practically BFFs now. This may be a cat's preliminary investigation, allowing him to decide whether to join this new family. Signs that Golden has found a perfect partner for a game of hide and seek. When the homeowner realized he had a strange, uninvited guest.
Hey! Come on, Sonny. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on, Sonny.
Nak pergi lakukan apa pula tu?
Nak pergi beli Susan lah. Susan tak ada lah tu.
Dia susah nak tak ada. Bawa lah dua orang tu nya.
Ni sukalah Bipin tu sini.
Ni suka pindah sini. Tu sebenarnya bicari wak ada lame ni.
Okey ada lama mi suka tu.
Tu abi nak legah-legah depan tu sikit lagi sini. Kalau anak nak main seksa, dia main sini je.
Oh, anak kita esok.
Oh, main seksa, main depan ni lah.
Oh, Depi nak berapa orang anak?
B. Kalau B nak 12 orang.
12 orang ramanya.
Nama kau 12 orang?
Lah.
Apa? Mi tak si kau 12 orang?
Kalau B nak tolong jaga, beres je.
B jagalah. Tu yang B nak 12 orang. Nak netino, jatuh.
Nenek.
Oh, nenek.
Ni kalau dah B atau nak jaga kat beres